Hey everybody, I'm Lynn. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the benefits of watching movies, TV, and even YouTube videos in English. This is a really helpful video, so keep watching. Watching movies and TV shows in English is a great way to improve your English speaking ability. You can improve your listening, your reading, if you use subtitles, and your speaking, all by watching movies, TV shows, or even YouTube videos in English. Now, the most important thing to keep in mind when choosing a movie, a TV show, or a YouTube video is not to choose something too difficult. Many of my students, when they start watching movies or TV shows in English, they choose something that might be fun to watch, but it's much too difficult for them to understand. Then what happens is they feel overwhelmed or frustrated and they just want to give up on learning English. So, in order to avoid that, choose something that is easy first. Then after you feel comfortable, you can move on to something a little bit more difficult. When choosing a YouTube video, a good suggestion is to stick to one channel and keep watching those videos many times until you feel comfortable. Another good idea is watch the same video a number of times. Repeat it over and over. You can watch it with the subtitles in your language, and then you can watch it with the subtitles in English, and then you can watch it with no subtitles. And each time you watch the video or whatever you choose, you will be improving your English speaking ability. Watching English programs is a great way to prove your English conversation skill. So, watching movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos in English is going to help improve your English conversation ability. And when you watch these movies or TV shows, don't be afraid to mimic just what the actor or actress says. This will also help you to improve. I know learning English is hard, but I know you can do it as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Tell me what kind of movies, TV shows, and YouTube channels you like to watch in the comments below, and don't forget to keep supporting my channel. See you in the next video.